Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing updates and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to flash BTC on Trust Wallet. It works on multiple wallets like OKS, Binance, BitGet, and Gate.io. When you follow this process, just do it exactly as I did in this video so that you will understand the part of how it works on how it works on other wallets like Binance and stuff. So we'll be focusing on how to use it on Trust Wallet like this. So maybe in my next video I'll drop how you can use it on your Binance and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you go to your Play Store or App Store. You will search for OKS. We have two OKS wallets stand. You have this normal one, this one. If you click on this one and try to create account, you will not be able to create account because it's not eligible in Nigeria anymore like that. So the one you download is this green one. This OKS wallet portal to Web3. So after you download this one is easy to download and it's easy to create. So you can create from any country, any part of the world. So once you create on it, you open it, then normal wallet. Now you can create and you can import wallet. If you have key phrase that you want to import, maybe you have key phrase of your Web3, your Trust Wallet and other wallet, you can just paste it here. You will see your balance instantly here. But for the purpose of this video, we are starting afresh. So you just need to create new wallet. Just create your wallet. It's simple. So click on create now. So it's very easy. In 2 seconds we have created our wallet. So once you create wallet, you just need to do your manual backup. Just do manual backup. It's very easy. Once you click on manual backup, they will give you a 12 key phrase. That 12 key phrase, you can screenshot it. So you just need to write it down. You just use other phone to snap it. So then you solve the security thing. I'll tell you to choose number. So just do all those things and you will create your wallet. Make sure you back up the wallet. So once you back up, I'll give you 12 key phrase. This is the 12 key phrase. Just do the backup. Can't do it the video because they won't allow me to show those parts because it is for security purposes. So they'll show it as blank. So but if you follow the process, it's very easy to do. So once you create your account, So after you have create your account successfully backup, you can also create accounts like this on normal OKS, like this OKS now. Like this OKS I'm talking about. You can still create another. You can create it. That's how they create normal wallet on this account. Like that's how they create it. Once you download this one, they'll give you interface. Don't sign up. There will be a two interface at the up. You see exchange and wallet. So it's the wallet part you click. Once you click on wallet part, they will enable you to they will enable you to create the something like this. You're able to create Web3 wallet, something like this. So for safer side, just download this one, then create. It's still the same thing. So once you create account, then you deposit BNB. To deposit BNB, click on receive here. So then you click on BNB, the wallet address, the token you want to generate. Once you click on receive, Once you click on receive, you copy the BNB wallet address. So you copy it, then you deposit minimum of $3, $2. Because I'm even using this $0.544, but you can just deposit like minimum of $3. So once you deposit, all you need to do, there'll be a contract address. That is the most important part of this flashing a lot of method. So this flashing method is still working the same way you do it on your Binance. It's done this Web3 Binance. So once you are but let's focus on Trust Wallet. So once you are on this interface, all you need to do, click on this DEX here. This DEX that have this switching part. Once you click it, that is swap logo. So it's a swapping logo. So you see this. So we'll be swapping the BTC. So I told you earlier that you need your token address. The token address is the important part because that is what we use to flash this coin. That is what we use to flash this coin. So what we do now, we change it to BNB because it's BNB chain. It's on BNB chain. So we change it to BNB chain. Understand? So then you choose BNB because that is this thing we have. Then you come to this second part here. Understand? It's already on BNB chain. Then the copy, you paste the contract address here. You copy it and paste the contract address. So let's do that now. I'll be going to where my contract address is. I'll paste it. If you need the full info of how to generate the token address yourself, or you want to buy token address for USDT, BTC, to flash coin, to give you plenty coins, just DM me. Then we'll talk. We'll deal on that instance. So I'll be copying my contract address and paste here. So once you copy your contract address, you come here, then you paste it. So once you paste it, they'll bring this this thing out, the BTC logo. This is the contract address. Once you click it, so we'll be swapping. Let's swap 0.00001 BTC stand. So they'll give us $52. Okay, let's cancel 10. So you can see how much I'm using to generate. So you click on done, click on swap, click on I understand, click on this start trading, then confirm it. So we confirm it. So you can see it now. You have confirmed it. Then once you confirm it, you have swap it like that. You just go to this place. It's done. So once you swap it, that is all. So all you have to do now, is you click on this. Let's go down. You have swapped it, but it's not reflecting. So there may be a case the thing is not reflecting on this your balance. So on this your balance, once you swap it, so once you swap it, maybe the thing doesn't reflect. And also we swap this BTC. So now the BTC be this when we swap am. So as the thing no reflects here, no pop up for the balance. All anything you go do be say, you just click on send. Start. This is the BTC we swap. This is it. This 524. That is the this thing that is showing. So what you do is go to your Trust Wallet. You start. Even though you have Binance, you go to your Binance and you copy your BNB wallet address. Just go to your Trust Wallet, copy your BNB, click on receive, start. Click on proceed. Then let's copy our BNB wallet address. Note is BNB wallet address you copy. So let's copy the BNB wallet address. Then head back to this place. Click on send. Choose the BTC. So once you swap, you see the amount of this thing you swap by the left. So once you come here, you paste it. Start. Click on confirm. So we're swapping all. You click on this mouse. Once you click on this mouse, you click on confirm. Confirm it. So you have sent this thing to our Trust Wallet. So after sending, you go to your Trust Wallet and check. You can see it now. You can see the coin. You can see say you enter the you enter the Trust Wallet, it shows value. So that is how to flash from. That is how to use it. If you want to use it on Binance, you just need to go to Binance, swap the token to the this thing, swap it as I did it on OKS. So as value no reflect here. You see as value no reflect here. I send out to Trust Wallet, reflect. So maybe you want to send it to your client now. You want to send it to your client now as a day like this now. So you don't generate the coin, you don't give plenty coin. See how much we are use generate coin. You see how? So if you want to give your client, maybe you want to send it to your client, you just let's add another wallet. So like this now, I will receive. Then you tell your client to copy your BNB wallet address. So let's go back to that wallet that we have BTC. Just click on it. It's very easy. So then okay, let's click on send. This is the BTC. Let's send. Then we put the wallet address to copy. So the amount, let's say we want to 5 BTC. 5 BTC will give us $400. So it depends on the amount you want to send. Understand? So I'm sending 5 BTC. So let's click on building, then confirm it. It's very sharp. So once you process it, you can see. Let's wait for it to complete. So it has been completed. Then we go to the wallet 7. We check it if it reflects. Let's refresh it. You can see very sharp. And see the BTC reflect instantly. So if you enjoyed this video so far, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you receive update anytime I upload a new one. So that is how you can flash your BTC from OKS, swapping from OKS to Trust Wallet. You can see if you want to do USDT also, that is the same way you do. So it's just, but if you want to send out, you just need to have a fee of BNB. You guys have small BNB like $1 also, so that it will serve as gas fee. You see the money plenty gone. So that is how to flash it. See you next in my new video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.